it up, it's Cowan Rally Village. Sorry? If you want to look it up, it's Cowan.
Just in case we get lost on the way.
Exactly. K-O-W-A-N Rally Village.
Alright, second day is up and we're gonna try to make a convoy up to the Cowan Rally Village. We're gonna have a ride in the race cars, which is pretty exciting. Got a little GR convoy here. Rally Village, it's sort of in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, it's a bit of a forest here. We got our little GR convoy here. Marty's also here. There's no blacks, so all whites, 2 reds, no blacks. How's it going, Marty?
On this episode of Toyota Yarises, there's a lot of Yarises.
Yeah.
Is it plural to Yaris Yari?
Yeah, we gotta put 2 S, I think. Yaris.
It's actually Yari?
Yeah. Oh, Yari?
But if you have multiple computer mouses, what are they?
Mice.
Mice?
He's a carpenter, he doesn't know about computers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Asking the wrong person.
So what's happening today? I'm interviewing you on your own YouTube channel. There's a bee on you.
He wants to come along. I think we're gonna try to crash a couple of Yarises.
You're gonna try and crash your Yaris?
Yeah, so that's the plan, and then Toyota is gonna try how strong it is, and
Toyota's gonna buy everyone a new Yaris who crashes their Yaris today. Thank you for watching.
Thanks, guys. Marty left his Yaris to another driver.
Continue straight on onto
Do you need a lift?
Road.
No, thank you. I'm gonna walk. It's good for my legs.
$2,000 later.
We have finally arrived at the rally village with our little convoy. So it's pretty much in the middle of nowhere. We got the Gazoo truck here. And yeah, I think those are pretty cool roads to test both our cars and the rally cars. So here we got the car and we're gonna have a ride in one of those, which is gonna be pretty cool. I think he had a little bit of a close encounter with a rock or something yesterday. That goes alright. Here we got a little marquee for refreshments and things like that. It's pretty well set up. They're refueling the cars now. I think the fuel goes in here. What sort of fuel is this?
It's called Panther. And it's basically the control fuel for the Australian Rally Championship.
Right.
And
So
it's
it's
also the control fuel for the TCR Championship.
right. So it's like so everyone uses the same.
Yep,
Oh.
pretty much. Yep. Good fuel. It's a 102 octane, and it has
Oh, that's pretty high.
set cost at about $4.50 a litre. So no, it's actually pretty good. It's cheap. Trust me.
That's not terrible for race fuel.
No,
Yeah.
no, it's actually very, very good.
Yeah.
It's very cheap compared to what it delivers. When we talk about our championship, not last year, so the previous 4 or 5 years, we were using ETS, and that was $9.50 a litre.
Oh yeah, so twice
this,
in that.
This is a bonus. It uses 0.75 of a litre per kilometre.
Experience like no other. Look, very simple. Obviously, before you get in the car, just make sure you see Jill over here and sign a disclaimer. We'll then fix you up in a suit, helmet and a harness device, more importantly. We'll then head over and Sam over there, Sam, wave your hand, he's listening. Sam will strap you into the car. It might feel uncomfortable, but belts will be tied over your shoulders and around. It's obviously safety is paramount. You're in very good hands with Harry and Lewis. So other than that, it's a short little track. It's got some really fast stuff, some nice tight hairpins, and obviously you finish with this pretty cool jump at the end. So it'll probably go for all of a minute and a half, but it'll be the best minute and a half this week. So on that note, I'll hand over to Lewis and Harry to say a few words and we'll get going.
Good morning, everyone. Morning. Hope you got a good sleep after your beetroot and cauliflower and everything. Yeah, basically Adrian summed it all up, but we're here for probably one of the coolest experiences you could have in a rally car. So very, very cool track we've got here. We do know where we're going.
We sort of know where we're going.
Yeah. Without our co-drivers, we're always a little bit blind, but that's all right. So we'll go and do our warm up now with the cars, get everything warm, and then we'll start getting you guys in one by one. But are there any questions to ask before we start?
And
No?
someone asked before how much power the cars make, or do we know how much power the cars make? The answer to that is yes, we do know.
Cheers, mate.
So they don't have an enormous amount of power, but they have an incredible amount of torque and low down acceleration.
We are allowed to increase the width.
I'll just hold this one up, see if it's going to be long enough for you.
All right, we're all suited up. We just need to wait for a collar and the helmet to come back. And then some of the other guys are jumping on now. So I'm super excited for this. Yeah, it's awesome. Can I hold it? Awesome.
Sorry, that's going to be quite tight. Is that alright?
Yeah,
Sorry
it's
if I
fine.
just pinched you. There we go. Right.
Awesome. Full suited up, ready to go.
It's crazy, it's like a roller coaster ride. That's incredible. What impressed you the most? Probably take you off.
I'm up? Oh, that's awesome. How are you going?
Lift your bum up for a second. Just try and lift your bum up for a second. Yep, perfect. Sam, just do his intercom. Just try. Yeah, you should be able to hear me now.
Yeah.
Give us a thumbs up.
Awesome.
Give us a thumbs up.
All right, ready?
Ready.
Here we go.
This is awesome. was so awesome. We had the comms here in the with the mic here.
Thoughts?
Hey mate, yeah, absolutely.
Do you want me to hold your GoPro for you as well?
Yes, that's great, thank you.
Two-handed, look at that. Recording?
Yep.
Keep the helmet on.
Keep it on. How was that?
It was crazy. It was exactly how you would expect it. It's like full on, real.
Thank you.
Thanks guys.
Awesome. There you go.
Cheers. I'm not able to take this one off, so I'm gonna ask someone. But it was so good. I kept laughing. Takes corner the speed on the gravel. It's ridiculous, and there's still a ridiculous amount of grip. It's unbelievable. Like I could never imagine that. Alright, that's a wrap for today. So we're just going to take a group photo next to the cars and pretty much done. It was awesome.
So, good to hear.
Thanks again guys.
Awesome. Yeah, well, I'll hopefully see you at another event sometime soon.
I hope you enjoyed your day.
Absolutely. What a day. And now we are here with all the dirty cars. Actually, finally looks like a proper rally car. Cheers guys. Actually, don't forget to subscribe, blah blah blah.